Hey guys, I'm sorry that I'm not here today. Um, I didn't expect to not be here, so I'm kind of having to make this up as I go. So if you can bear with me, I'd appreciate it. Um, when I got home Friday, late Friday evening, I got a call saying that my aunt had passed away, and she was only 69. Um, she was my mom's only living immediate family, and she was very, very close to me. Her daughter and I, people used to say that we were twins, and they used to think I was my aunt's daughter because I was with her all the time, and um, so she was definitely somebody who had a big impact on my life. She requested that my husband and I do the music for her funeral, and her funeral's at 2 o'clock today over in Chatsworth. And I had to have enough time to get there and get everything set up and ready and kind of settle down. So I had to leave at 11:30 today in order to get all that done. And I really hate that because I had big plans for our first day of our second lesson. Um, but to be honest, I guess I'm a little selfish. I don't know exactly how I can last minute ask a sub to do that. And I'd kind of like to have those moments with you. So if you can bear with me, I'd appreciate it if, unfortunately, you use this day for more of like a study hall. I know it's Monday and you could not have much to do or work on, but if there's anything from last week or today that you got to finish, or you need to go do a makeup test or quiz or something, or you need to continue reading a book that you were just assigned, I don't know. I'm just, um, it isn't ideal, but it's the only thing I can think of that, might help you and won't totally take away from this day. Um, that being said, try to be here Wednesday. I really am genuinely very excited about this lesson. I think it's going to be awesome. That's why I'm kind of like super jealous, and I don't want somebody else to do it. So, um, if you can just kind of do that for me today, and if you need to go somewhere, whatever, you need to go talk to a teacher, or you need to get some missing work, or you need to take a test or whatever, just please check in with the sub, let her know, hey, this is what's going on, this is what I got to do, so she can keep record of it. If you have any questions, something that I might can answer, you can just send me a remind, you can send me an email. I will answer as soon as I can. If I'm delayed, obviously it's more than likely the funeral. But just send good vibes, prayers, thoughts towards my family's way, towards my way. And I will see you on Wednesday. No matter what, we'll be good. But yeah, just try to make the best of the rest of the day. And I'm sorry I'm not here. See you soon. Love you. Bye.